Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I begin the main content of this presentation, I would like to introduce the contributors involved in this field research. My name is Muhammad Danish Farhad bin Zainal Asri, a student from University Malaysia Terengganu under the Faculty of Business, Economics and Social Development. I conduct this interview-based case study as part of my academic assignment on Islamic financial system. I would also like to extend my sincere gratitude to Mrs. Putri Hartati, a supervisor at Bank Syariah Indonesia from the branch located at UMY. She gorgeously shared valuable insight during the interview and provide guidance and internet operation of BSI. Thank you to everyone who support this project. Okay, now let me begin with a brief introduction to the topic. Islamic banking is a financial system that operates in full accordance with Sharia principle. It strictly prohibits riba, which is interest, gharar or excessive uncertainty, and maisir, which refers to gambling. Instead of relying on interest-based transaction, Islamic finance promotes justice, ethical investment, and risk sharing, ensuring all financial dealing are both fair and transparent. In the context of Indonesia, Islamic banks like Bank Syariah Indonesia play a vital role in advancing inclusive financial growth, especially among communities seeking Sharia compliant solution. This field survey specifically focuses on three areas. First, BSIs operate, challenge, and third one is strategies is adopt to achieve maintain operational resilience in today's dynamic financial environment. Okay, now let's move into part A, which is how BSI works in practice. For part A, operational structure, the first section on the interview focus on understanding how BSI function on a day-to-day basis and how it structure its products and services in compliance with Islamic principle. Firstly, I asked about the main products and services offered by BSI, and the respondents shared that BSI offers a full range of Islamic banking services. This includes Sharia compliant saving accounts such as Tabungan Berkah and Haji savings. Second, deposit and investment schema based on profit sharing models like Mudarabah. Thirdly, financing product based on Murabahah, cost plus sales, and Musyarakah partnership. Digital banking services include mobile apps and online banking platforms, and additional service such as Haji and Umrah financing and Islamic insurance like Takaful. Secondly, I asked about BSI ensure that all its products comply with Islamic law. BSI has a Sharia supervisor board that review and approve all banking products. This board ensures that every contract's terms and financial models address to principle of riba-free, gharar-free, and ethical investing. Regular internal audits and compliance review are also carried out to maintain consistency in Sharia address across all branches. Lastly, I wanted to know which types of Islamic contracts are most commonly used. According to interviewee, the most popular contract is Murabaha, especially for consumer financing. This is followed by Mudarabah, used for investment accounts with profit sharing, and Ijarah, which is a leasing contract often used for property and or vehicle financing. Now for part B is challenge faced by BSI. In the second part of the interview, I explore challenges faced by BSI as an Islamic financial institution. One major challenge is maintaining Sharia compliance across all branches. With a large network of offices nationwide, ensuring that every staff member understands and practices Sharia compliant banking is not easy. It requires continuous staff training, strong leadership from the Central Sharia Board, and consistent internal audits. Another significant challenge is competing with conventional bank. Although the Islamic bank like BSI operate without riba, they will still have to offer competitive products in terms of pricing convenience and digital services. The challenge lies in remaining financially attractive to customers while staying true to Islamic values. Finally, the interviewee mentioned that promoting Islamic banking in rural or less educated areas is still difficult. Many people either lack awareness to have misconception about Islamic Finance as a solution. BSI engaging financial literacy campaign, seminar and outreach program to help educate the public, especially in underbanked regions. For part C is strategies for operational resilience. The third and final part of interview focus on how BSI sustain its operation and manage risk in a dynamic economic landscape. To ensure business continuity and risk management, BSI use various strategies such as product diversification to avoid over-reliance or any single revenue stream, implementing advanced risk management system to detect and handle financial risk, and liquidity management practice to ensure that the bank always has enough capital to meet customer needs. I also asked BSI use of digital technology to strengthen operation. BSI has invested heavily digital transformation, offering a robust mobile banking apps and online platform that allow users to manage account, make transfer, apply financing, and consult with Islamic finance expert. These tools not improve customer convenience but also protect the bank operation in times of crisis, such as during COVID-19 pandemic. To conclude this section, I asked what makes BSI different from the other banks. The answer was clear. BSI is driven by values, not just profit. Its commitment to ethical finance, transparency, and social inclusion sets it apart. It also plays an important role in supporting the broader vision of sustainable and inclusive Islamic financial system in Indonesia. Okay, in conclusion, my interview with Bank Syariah Indonesia highlighted the unique position of Islamic Bank in today's financial ecosystem. While BSI faced challenges like promoting financial literacy, staying competitive, it also shows that Islamic finance can thrive when grounded in strong Syariah governance, technological innovation, and a mission to serve to the community. Okay, now thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope this provide useful insight into the operation and resilience of Bank Syariah Indonesia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.